SAP SD Online Training. SAP SD Online Training. SAP SD, Sales and Distribution, is a critical module of SAP ERP that focuses on managing all processes related to sales, customer orders, deliveries, and billing. It is designed to help businesses streamline their sales operations, improve customer satisfaction, and maximize revenue. Learning SAP SD provides professionals with the knowledge and skills required to manage the entire sales cycle, from order creation to product delivery and invoicing, efficiently. SAP SD Online Training is a flexible learning program that allows individuals to learn this module through live online classes, interactive sessions, and practical hands-on projects. The training covers all key topics, including master data management, sales order processing, pricing, shipping, billing, credit management, and reporting. It also includes real-time business scenarios to ensure learners can apply their knowledge in practical situations, making them job-ready. This course is ideal for freshers, working professionals, and career switchers who want to build a career in SAP. With companies globally adopting SAP, demand for skilled SAP SD professionals is continuously growing. Completing the SAP SD Online Training also opens up opportunities for roles such as SAP SD Consultant, Sales Analyst, SAP Functional Consultant, and Business Process Expert. One of the main advantages of online training is flexibility. Learners can access sessions from anywhere, at their own pace, and revisit recorded classes whenever needed. Additionally, most SAP SD online training programs offer certification and placement support, which enhances career prospects and credibility in the job market. By enrolling in SAP SD Online Training, individuals gain technical expertise, practical experience, and industry knowledge, making them capable of handling complex sales and distribution processes in real-world business environments. This training is not only a stepping stone to a lucrative career but also a chance to become a part of the global SAP professional community. Why learn SAP SD? SAP SD, Sales and Distribution, is one of the most important and widely used modules in the SAP ecosystem. It plays a major role in managing core business processes such as sales order management, pricing, shipping, billing, and customer relationship handling. As organizations across the world continue to adopt SAP to streamline their operations, the demand for skilled SAP SD professionals is growing rapidly in both domestic and international markets. One of the main reasons to learn SAP SD is its strong career potential. Companies in industries like manufacturing, retail, logistics, pharmaceuticals, and IT services rely heavily on SAP SD to manage their sales and distribution activities. Because this module directly impacts revenue generation and customer satisfaction, businesses are always looking for trained professionals who can handle these processes efficiently. This makes SAP SD one of the most stable and rewarding career options in the SAP domain. Another key reason for its high demand is the shortage of experienced SAP SD consultants. Many companies are implementing SAP S/4HANA and upgrading their systems, which creates continuous job opportunities for both freshers and experienced professionals. With the right training, individuals can move into roles such as SAP SD Consultant, Functional Analyst, Support Consultant, or Business Process Specialist. Learning SAP SD also offers global career opportunities. SAP is used by top multinational companies, which means skilled professionals can work in different countries and industries. In addition, SAP SD knowledge can lead to higher salary packages, career growth, and long-term job security. Core benefits of learning SAP SD Online Training. Learning SAP SD, Sales and Distribution, offers a wide range of benefits for individuals who want to build a successful and stable career in the IT and business domain. As one of the most important modules in SAP, SAP SD helps organizations manage their entire sales process efficiently, from customer inquiry to order delivery and billing. Gaining expertise in this module can open the door to strong career growth and professional development. One of the biggest benefits of learning SAP SD is increased career opportunities. Many companies across industries such as manufacturing, retail, e-commerce, logistics, and pharmaceuticals depend on SAP SD to handle their sales operations. Because of this, skilled professionals are always in demand. After completing training, learners can apply for roles like SAP SD Consultant, Functional Consultant, Sales Support Analyst, or SAP End User. Another important advantage is the potential for higher salary packages. SAP professionals are known to earn competitive salaries compared to many other IT and non-IT roles. With experience and certification, candidates can see steady growth in their income and career position. SAP SD also offers global job opportunities, allowing professionals to work with multinational companies or even explore opportunities abroad. SAP SD training also provides strong practical knowledge. Learners understand real-time business processes such as order management, pricing, shipping, and billing. This practical exposure helps them become job-ready and confident in handling real project scenarios. It also improves problem-solving and analytical skills, which are valuable in any organization. Flexibility is another key benefit, especially with online training. Learners can study from anywhere, manage their time, and access recorded sessions for revision. This makes it easier for working professionals and students to upgrade their skills without leaving their current jobs or studies. Key features of the SAP SD Online Training Course. SAP SD Online Training is designed to provide complete knowledge of the sales and distribution module through a structured and practical learning approach. The course is carefully planned to help learners understand both the technical and functional aspects of SAP SD, making them ready to work in real-time business environments. It focuses on building strong fundamentals along with hands-on experience. One of the main features of the course is a comprehensive curriculum that covers all important topics step by step. Learners will gain in-depth knowledge of areas such as master data management, sales order processing, pricing, delivery, billing, shipping, credit management, and integration with other SAP modules like AM and FI. This ensures a complete understanding of the sales cycle from start to finish. Another key feature is real-time project-based learning. Instead of focusing only on theory, the training includes practical exercises, case studies, and real business scenarios. This helps learners understand how SAP SD is used in actual companies and improves their confidence in handling live projects. Hands-on practice makes the learning experience more effective and job-oriented. The course also offers flexible online learning options. Students can attend live instructor-led sessions from anywhere, making it easy for working professionals and freshers to learn at their convenience. Many programs also provide recorded sessions, allowing learners to revisit topics and strengthen their understanding at their own pace. Expert trainer support is another important highlight. The training is typically delivered by experienced professionals who have strong industry knowledge. They guide students through complex concepts, share real-time examples, and provide tips that are useful during interviews and job roles. In addition, the course often includes interview preparation support, resume guidance, and certification assistance. Learners are trained to handle common SAP SD interview questions and understand industry expectations. This increases their chances of getting placed in good companies. WHO should learn SAP SD. SAP SD, Sales and Distribution, is a highly valuable module that is suitable for a wide range of learners who want to build a strong and rewarding career in the SAP domain. Whether you are a fresher, a working professional, or someone planning a career change, SAP SD offers excellent opportunities to grow in the IT and business industry. Fresh graduates are one of the best groups to learn SAP SD. Students from commerce, management, engineering, or any business-related background can benefit from this training. Since SAP SD focuses on sales processes, order management, billing, and customer handling, it helps freshers start their careers with a specialized and in-demand skill. Learning SAP SD at the beginning of their career can help them secure entry-level roles and grow faster in the corporate world. Working professionals in sales, marketing, logistics, customer service, and operations can also gain great value from SAP SD training. Many companies use SAP systems to manage daily business activities, and having SAP SD knowledge helps professionals perform their roles more efficiently. It also increases their chances of getting promotions, salary hikes, or moving into better job positions. IT professionals who are already working in other SAP modules or technical roles can learn SAP SD to expand their knowledge and career options. Adding a functional module like SAP SD can help them move into consulting roles and work on more challenging projects. It also gives them the flexibility to work in different industries and domains. SAP SD is also ideal for career switchers who want to move from non-IT backgrounds into the IT field. Since the module is business process oriented, individuals with experience in sales, distribution, or business operations can easily understand and learn it. With proper training and practice, they can successfully transition into SAP careers. Real-time scenarios covered in SAP SD training. One of the most valuable parts of SAP SD training is learning through real-time business scenarios. These practical examples help learners understand how companies use SAP SD in their daily operations. Instead of only studying theory, students get exposure to real-world processes that take place in industries such as manufacturing, retail, logistics, and e-commerce. This approach makes learning more practical, interesting, and job-oriented. A common real-time scenario covered in SAP SD training is the complete order-to-cash cycle. In this process, learners understand how a customer inquiry is converted into a sales order, followed by product delivery, shipping, and billing. They learn how different steps are connected and how SAP helps manage each stage accurately. This gives a clear understanding of how businesses handle customer orders efficiently. Another important scenario is pricing and discount management. In real companies, product pricing may vary based on customer type, location, quantity, and special offers. During training, learners work on situations where they create pricing conditions, apply discounts, and manage promotional offers. This helps them understand how companies maintain flexible and competitive pricing strategies. Delivery and shipping management is also an essential part of real-time learning. Students are trained on how products are picked, packed, and delivered to customers using SAP SD. They learn how to track delivery status, manage transportation details, and ensure timely dispatch. These scenarios are very useful for understanding logistics and supply chain coordination. Billing and invoice generation is another key real-time process. Learners practice creating invoices, managing payments, and handling billing-related issues. They also understand how SAP SD integrates with other modules like finance, FI, and materials management, to ensure smooth business operations. Handling customer master data and credit management is also included in practical training. Students learn how to create and maintain customer records, set credit limits, and manage risk in business transactions. By working on these real-time scenarios, learners gain hands-on experience and confidence. It prepares them to face real project challenges and makes them job-ready for roles in SAP SD across different industries. Modules covered in SAP SD Online Training. SAP SD Online Training is designed to provide a complete understanding of all the important components involved in the sales and distribution process. The course is structured in a step-by-step manner so learners can easily understand each concept, from basic topics to advanced configurations. By covering all essential modules, the training ensures that students gain both theoretical knowledge and practical experience required to work in real-time business environments. The training usually begins with an introduction to SAP and the fundamentals of the sales and distribution module. Learners understand how SAP SD fits into the overall SAP system and how it integrates with other modules like materials management, and finance, FI. This basic foundation helps students clearly understand the role of SAP SD in business operations. One of the key modules covered is master data management. This includes learning how to create and manage customer master data, material master data, and pricing conditions. Master data is the backbone of SAP SD, and understanding it is essential for managing sales transactions smoothly. Sales order processing is another important module in the training. Students learn how to handle the complete sales cycle, including inquiries, quotations, sales orders, and order confirmations. They understand how to process orders efficiently and ensure accurate data flow across departments. The course also covers pricing and condition techniques, where learners understand how product pricing is determined. They learn how to apply discounts, taxes, and special pricing based on business requirements. This is a critical part of sales operations in real companies. Delivery and shipping is another major area covered in the training. Learners understand how to manage product delivery, packing, transportation, and shipment tracking. Billing and invoice processing is also included, where students learn how to generate invoices and manage payment-related processes. In addition, the training includes topics like credit management, returns processing, and basic reporting. These modules help learners understand risk management, customer returns, and performance tracking. Career opportunities after learning SAP SD. SAP SD, Sales and Distribution, offers excellent career opportunities for individuals who want to build a strong and stable future in the SAP and IT industry. As businesses across the world continue to adopt SAP systems to manage their sales processes, the demand for skilled SAP SD professionals is increasing rapidly. This creates a wide range of job opportunities for both freshers and experienced candidates. One of the most common career paths after completing SAP SD training is becoming an SAP SD functional consultant. In this role, professionals work closely with business teams to understand their sales processes and configure the SAP system based on company requirements. They also support implementation projects, system upgrades, and day-to-day operations. This role is highly respected and offers good salary growth over time. Another popular job role is SAP SD support consultant. These professionals help organizations resolve system issues, manage user queries, and ensure smooth functioning of sales-related activities. It is a great starting point for beginners who want to gain practical experience and gradually move into senior consultant roles. SAP SD end-user roles are also available in many companies. In this position, employees use SAP systems to manage daily tasks such as order processing, billing, delivery tracking, and customer data management. This role helps individuals understand real business operations and gain hands-on experience. With experience, professionals can grow into advanced positions such as SAP SD Senior Consultant, SAP Project Manager, Business Analyst, or Solution Architect. These roles involve handling large-scale implementations, managing teams, and working on complex business solutions. SAP SD professionals are in demand across multiple industries, including manufacturing, retail, logistics, e-commerce, pharmaceuticals, and IT services. Since SAP is used globally, trained professionals also get opportunities to work with multinational companies and international projects. Salary trends in SAP SD, Sales and Distribution. SAP SD, Sales and Distribution, is one of the most popular and high-paying modules in the SAP ecosystem. Since it plays a key role in managing sales, customer orders, billing, and delivery processes, companies across industries constantly look for skilled SAP SD professionals. This strong demand has created attractive salary trends for both freshers and experienced candidates in India and across the world. For freshers who have completed SAP SD training, the starting salary in India usually ranges between 3 rupees LPA to 6 rupees LPA. Candidates with certification, good functional knowledge, and hands-on project exposure may receive better opportunities and higher entry-level packages. Many beginners start their careers in roles such as SAP SD Support Associate, End-User, or Junior Consultant. With 2 to 5 years of experience, professionals can see significant growth in their salaries. At this stage, SAP SD consultants typically earn between 6 rupees LPA to 12 rupees LPA. Their experience in handling real-time projects, configuring pricing, managing sales orders, and working with clients increases their value in the job market. Many professionals also switch companies during this phase to gain better salary hikes and career growth. Senior SAP SD consultants with 6 to 10 years of experience can earn between 12 rupees LPA to 20 rupees plus LPA, depending on their skills, project experience, and knowledge of advanced topics like SAP S/4HANA. Professionals who take up leadership roles, such as lead consultant or project manager, often earn even higher packages. Globally, SAP SD professionals are in high demand in countries like the USA, UK, Canada, and the Middle East, where experienced consultants can earn excellent salaries along with international exposure. Interview preparation for SAP SD. Preparing for an SAP SD interview is an important step for anyone who wants to start or grow a career in the SAP domain. Proper interview preparation not only improves confidence but also helps candidates present their knowledge and skills effectively. Since companies look for professionals who understand both business processes and system configuration, it is essential to focus on both theoretical concepts and practical understanding. A strong preparation strategy begins with a clear understanding of the core SAP SD topics. Candidates should be familiar with areas such as sales order processing, pricing, billing, delivery, master data, and credit management. Interviewers often ask questions related to the complete order-to-cash cycle, as it is a key process in SAP SD. Understanding how each step connects, from inquiry to invoice generation, helps candidates answer questions confidently. Practical knowledge is equally important. Many interviewers prefer candidates who have worked on real-time scenarios or practice projects. Being able to explain how you created a sales order, configured pricing, or handled delivery and billing processes can create a strong impression. Sharing examples of challenges faced during learning or projects and how you solved them shows problem-solving ability. Candidates should also prepare for commonly asked interview questions. These may include topics like the difference between inquiry and quotation, types of sales documents, pricing condition techniques, and integration with modules like and FI. Preparing clear and simple explanations for these topics can increase the chances of success. In addition to technical knowledge, communication skills play a major role. Candidates should be able to explain concepts in a clear and confident manner. Basic knowledge of business processes and an understanding of how SAP SD supports sales operations are also valued by employers. Finally, preparing a professional resume, highlighting SAP SD training, projects, and certifications, can make a strong first impression. With the right preparation and practice, candidates can attend SAP SD interviews with confidence and improve their chances of getting selected. Industry use cases of SAP SD, sales and distribution. SAP SD is widely used across multiple industries to manage sales operations, customer transactions, delivery processes, and billing activities. Since every business depends on selling products or services, SAP SD plays a crucial role in ensuring smooth and efficient management of the entire sales cycle. Learning real-world industry use cases helps professionals understand how this module supports business growth and customer satisfaction. In the manufacturing industry, SAP SD is used to handle bulk customer orders, pricing agreements, and product deliveries. For example, when a company manufactures machinery or equipment, SAP SD helps manage customer inquiries, create quotations, process large sales orders, and track shipments until delivery. It also supports billing and payment tracking, ensuring accurate financial transactions. In the retail and e-commerce sector, SAP SD is essential for managing high volumes of daily sales. It helps businesses process online and in-store orders, apply discounts and promotional pricing, manage returns, and generate invoices. This ensures that customers receive accurate pricing, timely delivery, and smooth service experiences. In the pharmaceutical industry, SAP SD is used to manage the distribution of medicines and healthcare products. It helps companies track customer orders, control pricing regulations, and ensure timely delivery to hospitals, distributors, and pharmacies. Proper management of billing and documentation is also important in this sector, and SAP SD supports these processes efficiently. Logistics and distribution companies use SAP SD to manage transportation, shipping schedules, and delivery tracking. It helps coordinate between warehouses, transport teams, and customers to ensure that goods reach the right location on time. This improves operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. In the service industry, SAP SD is used to manage service contracts, billing for services, and customer interactions. Companies can track service requests, manage agreements, and generate accurate invoices based on completed services. Learning flexibility in SAP SD Online Training. One of the biggest advantages of SAP SD Online Training is the flexibility it offers to learners. Unlike traditional classroom training, online learning allows individuals to study from anywhere and at any time, making it a perfect option for students, working professionals, and career switchers. This flexibility makes it easier to balance learning with job responsibilities, college schedules, or personal commitments. With online SAP SD training, learners can attend live instructor-led sessions from the comfort of their home. This removes the need for travel and saves both time and energy. Many training programs also provide recorded classes, which allow students to revisit important topics whenever needed. If someone misses a session, they can easily catch up without falling behind. Flexible learning also means that students can learn at their own pace. Some learners may take more time to understand complex topics like pricing configuration, billing processes, or integration with other modules. With access to recordings and practice materials, they can spend extra time reviewing these concepts until they feel confident. Another benefit of flexible learning is that it supports working professionals who want to upgrade their skills without leaving their current job. They can attend weekend or evening classes and continue earning while learning a new skill. This makes SAP SD Online Training a practical choice for career growth. Online platforms also provide access to digital study materials, assignments, and hands-on practice systems. Learners can practice real-time scenarios from any location, which helps them gain confidence and practical experience. In addition, online training connects students with expert trainers and peers from different locations, creating a broader learning experience. Learners can ask questions, discuss doubts, and gain insights from others in the field. Certification advantage in SAP SD. Earning an SAP SD certification adds significant value to your professional profile and plays an important role in building a successful career in the SAP domain. It acts as proof that you have gained the required knowledge and skills to work on real-time sales and distribution processes using SAP systems. In today's competitive job market, having a certification can make a strong difference when applying for jobs. One of the biggest advantages of SAP SD certification is increased job opportunities. Many companies prefer certified candidates because it shows they have a structured understanding of the module and are trained in industry-relevant concepts. A certification helps freshers stand out among other job seekers and gives employers confidence in their abilities. It also increases the chances of getting shortlisted for interviews. Certification also supports career growth for working professionals. Employees who add SAP SD certification to their profile often get better career opportunities, role upgrades, and salary hikes. It shows a commitment to learning and professional development, which is highly valued by organizations. Certified professionals are often considered for more responsible roles in implementation projects and system support. Another key benefit is global recognition. SAP certifications are respected worldwide, allowing professionals to explore opportunities in multinational companies and international markets. It helps them build credibility and gain trust from clients and employers across different industries. Preparing for certification also strengthens practical and theoretical knowledge. During the process, learners gain a deeper understanding of topics like order management, pricing, billing, delivery, and integration with other modules. This improves confidence and helps them perform better in job roles and interviews. Why choose Proexcellency for SAP SD online training? Choosing the right training institute is an important step in building a successful career in SAP SD. Proexcellency stands out as a trusted name in SAP training, offering quality learning, expert guidance, and strong career support. The training is designed to help learners gain both theoretical knowledge and practical experience, making them ready to face real-time job challenges. One of the main reasons to choose Proexcellency is the industry expert trainers. The sessions are led by experienced professionals who have worked on real-time SAP projects. They share practical insights, business examples, and real-world scenarios that help learners understand how SAP SD works in actual companies. This makes learning more effective and job-focused. Another key advantage is the practical training approach. Proexcellency focuses on hands-on learning, where students get the opportunity to practice on real-time case studies and project-based scenarios. This helps them gain confidence and improve problem-solving skills, which are important during interviews and in professional roles. Flexible learning is also a major benefit. Proexcellency offers online classes that are suitable for both freshers and working professionals. Learners can attend sessions from anywhere and access study materials for revision. This flexibility allows them to balance their learning with their job or studies. In addition to training, Proexcellency provides strong interview preparation and placement support. Students receive guidance on resume building, commonly asked interview questions, and tips to perform well in interviews. This increases their chances of getting placed in good companies. The institute also focuses on building a strong foundation in SAP SD by covering all key topics such as sales order processing, pricing, billing, delivery, and integration with other modules. With structured training and continuous support, learners can develop the skills required to succeed in the SAP field. Trainers' expertise in SAP SD online training. One of the most important factors that influence the quality of any training program is the expertise of the trainers. In SAP SD online training, experienced and knowledgeable trainers play a key role in helping learners understand complex concepts in a simple and practical way. Learning from industry professionals gives students the advantage of gaining real-time knowledge along with theoretical understanding. SAP SD trainers usually have many years of hands-on experience working on live projects across different industries such as manufacturing, retail, logistics, and IT services. Their practical exposure allows them to explain how SAP SD is used in real business environments. Instead of only teaching from books, they share real examples, common challenges, and solutions based on their professional experience. This helps learners connect with the subject and understand how things work in actual job roles. Expert trainers also guide students through important topics like sales order processing, pricing configuration, billing, delivery management, and integration with other modules such as MM and FI. They provide step-by-step explanations, making it easier for beginners to understand even technical concepts. Their support helps learners build a strong foundation in SAP SD. Another major advantage of learning from experienced trainers is the personal guidance they provide. They answer questions, clear doubts, and give tips on how to handle real-time scenarios. They also share valuable insights on interview preparation, resume building, and career growth. Their mentorship gives students more confidence while attending interviews and starting their professional journey. Trainers with strong industry knowledge also keep learners updated with current market trends, tools, and best practices. This ensures that students are learning relevant and updated skills that companies are looking for. Placement support in SAP SD Online Training. Placement support plays a crucial role in helping learners start their careers after completing SAP SD Online Training. For many students and working professionals, the main goal of learning SAP SD is to secure a good job with career growth and stability. Strong placement assistance helps bridge the gap between learning and getting hired by guiding candidates through every step of the job search process. One of the key benefits of placement support is resume building. Many candidates may have knowledge but are unsure how to present their skills effectively. With proper guidance, they can create a professional resume that highlights their SAP SD training, practical knowledge, and project experience. A well-structured resume increases the chances of getting shortlisted by companies. Another important part of placement support is interview preparation. Learners are trained on commonly asked SAP SD interview questions, real-time scenarios, and how to explain concepts clearly. Mock interviews are often conducted to help students gain confidence and improve their communication skills. This practice helps them perform better in real interviews. Placement assistance also includes job guidance and career counseling. Trainers and support teams guide candidates on which roles to apply for, such as SAP SD Support Consultant, Junior Functional Consultant, or end-user roles. They also share information about current job openings and industry expectations. For freshers and career switchers, this support is especially valuable because it helps them understand how to enter the SAP job market. Even working professionals can benefit by finding better job opportunities and career growth options. Some training programs also help connect learners with companies, consultancies, and recruiters looking for SAP SD professionals. This increases the chances of getting interview calls and job opportunities. Student testimonials, success stories from SAP SD learners. Student testimonials play an important role in understanding the real value of SAP SD Online Training. They reflect the experiences, growth, and success achieved by learners who have completed the course and moved forward in their careers. Hearing directly from students gives new learners confidence and motivation to begin their own journey in the SAP field. Many students share that before joining SAP SD training, they had limited knowledge about the module or were unsure about their career direction. After completing the training, they gained a clear understanding of sales processes, order management, billing, and real-time business scenarios. This knowledge helped them build confidence and improve their professional skills. Freshers often mention how the training helped them enter the IT and SAP domain. With practical exposure, real-time examples, and proper guidance, they were able to attend interviews confidently and secure their first job. For them, SAP SD training became a strong starting point for a stable and rewarding career. Working professionals also share positive feedback about how the course helped them upgrade their skills. Many were able to switch roles, receive promotions, or move into better job opportunities after learning SAP SD. They highlight the value of hands-on practice, industry-relevant topics, and expert trainer support in helping them understand complex concepts easily. Another common point mentioned in testimonials is the interview preparation and career guidance provided during the training. Students often appreciate the mock interviews, resume support, and tips shared by trainers, which help them perform well during job interviews. Success stories from past learners show that with the right training, dedication, and practice, anyone can build a strong career in SAP SD. These testimonials inspire new learners to believe in their potential and take the first step toward achieving their professional goals in the SAP domain. FAQs, common concerns about SAP SD Online Training. Many learners have questions and doubts before starting SAP SD Online Training. Understanding these common concerns helps them make the right decision and feel more confident about beginning their learning journey. Here are some of the most frequently asked questions and clarifications. One of the most common questions is, do I need a technical background to learn SAP SD? The answer is no. SAP SD is a functional module focused on business processes like sales, billing, and customer management. Freshers from commerce, management, and even non-IT backgrounds can easily learn it with proper training and guidance. Another concern is about job opportunities. Many learners ask, will I get a job after completing SAP SD training? SAP SD professionals are in demand across industries such as manufacturing, retail, logistics, and IT services. With strong knowledge, practice, and interview preparation, candidates can find entry-level opportunities and grow with experience. Some people also worry about the difficulty level. SAP SD may seem complex at first, but with step-by-step learning, practical examples, and regular practice, it becomes easier to understand. Good training programs explain concepts in a simple way and provide hands-on sessions to improve confidence. Working professionals often ask if they can manage the course along with their job. Since most SAP SD training is available online with flexible timings, they can attend classes in the evenings or weekends and learn at their own pace without affecting their work schedule. Another common concern is about certification and its value. SAP SD certification adds credibility to your profile and increases job chances. It shows employers that you have structured knowledge of the module. SAP SD free demo class. See how SAP SD works in real time. Watch this demo session to understand course quality, trainer expertise, and practical learning before you enroll.
You can see my screen? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
So regarding this training, the ERP I'm going to use, it is SAP. Okay, don't tell SAP. No one should tell SAP. It is SAP. SAP means systems, applications, and products.
Screen not visible, sir.
It is for everyone or for you actually? My screen is visible for everyone or for any
Visible.
specific? Visible?
No, sir.
Okay. So whoever is having issue, just check the
Not
network.
visible.
I think you have to cross check with your network once. Okay.
I'll rejoin, sir. Okay.
Pardon? Okay. So regarding this training, I'm telling the ERP I'm going to use, it is SAP. Don't tell SAP, it is SAP. What is SAP? Systems, applications, and products in data processing. And the advanced ERP I'm going to use, that is S/4HANA, not in ECC. Okay. And the module I'm going to use, this is sales and distribution, SD module. In SAP, we have different types of modules are there. Around 40 to 41 types of modules are available. And SD is one of the functional module. Next question actually, who and why, right? Who means qualification wise I'm telling. So whether you are any graduations, whether you are from engineering background or non-engineering or a MBA or a MCA, whatever fields you are, there is no issues. But we need a graduate from any academic. There is no issues. Okay. And regarding to your technical things, suppose you are going for this SAP SD module. So whether you are from technical background, like coding, like C, C++, Java, those things also not required actually, because this is completely a functional module where you have to deal with your analytical skill, how you are analyzing the scenarios, business scenarios. So accordingly, you have to develop the S/4HANA system. As a consultant, what is your role actually? You have to develop S/4HANA system. Okay, as a developer, you have to work, but there is no coding skill, no programming skill, no algorithms. Those things are not required. Okay, so it is very simple, but only thing you have to put some effort during this training period. If you are putting your effort, then that is enough. Next is why SAP SD. Just now I asked to someone, right? Why SAP SD? So this question varies person to person, candidate to candidate. Some people might be, they can tell, okay, I am from SD, sales background, so I can go for SD. But that is not a correct answer actually. Whether you are from sales background or not, that doesn't impact on this technical training actually. Okay. So whatever things you are having actually, your background I'm telling, whatever experience you are having, that doesn't impact for this technical SAP SD training actually. Okay, irrespective of the technical knowledges, whatever you have till now, so that will not matter. Only thing it will matter your analytical skill, whatever I told, how much you are analyzing, that is very, very important. And it is one of the core module I told. What is core module? SD is integrating with other modules. Like SD is integrating with the material management. SD is integrating with the EWM, or SD is integrating with the finance. So that's why it is a core module. Okay. So if SD is a core module, obviously demand will be there, right? In a single project. Suppose I'm working as a implementation project. So in my project, around 40 to 50 resources will be there. Senior level, junior level, like that. And SD consultant is mandatory. One of the consultants should be like SD consultant. So might be 2 SD from senior level, senior consultant, and 3 SD from junior level, like that. So demand wise, lot of demands are available, but only thing how much you are expert, that is very, very important. Skill set wise, you have to be expert. And that expert, how you have to get from this technical training actually. Suppose you don't know nothing from the scratch, you have to start, then this is the correct place actually. We have to start our technical skill from this training actually. Next thing is the training I told, the ERP I'm going to use, it will be S/4HANA, no ECC. And this is a virtual session. Okay, all the sessions we are going to record, and interactive. Interactive in the sense, whatever I'm doing the configurations, I'm doing the customizations, right? So whatever your doubt, you have to ask me. During your practice session, you will get lot of challenges, lot of issues also. That also we need to clarify. So each and every session should be interactive, because this training, whatever we are going for, right? It is on-job training actually. Once you are clearing the training, we are clearing this on-job training. After that, the next target is we have to apply for a job, right? The next focus is to go for a job, like we did our academics. We completed our engineering, we completed our MBA and all. But the next target is what? Job, right? But that, as compared to the academics, this training is very, very critical with respect to your experience. Why? Because already people are working 3 years, 4 years, 6 years, 7 years, already some years already over from your career actually. Now, after completing this training, it will take hardly 2 to 3 months maximum. So within this period, we have to complete this training. And after that, you are completely ready to attend the interview. And if I told, if you put in proper hard work, proper planning and all, obviously you will be selected in any one of the IT company, MNC company. Okay. Next thing is complete end-to-end training I'm going to provide in SAP SD module. Whether you are from SAP background and non-SAP background, that doesn't matter. I saw a lot of people are working as an end user in some companies and all. That is good. Okay, so whenever I am going for this configurations, customizations, so obviously at least you have to be capture something actually. Suppose you are not from SAP background, then that time you have to put a little bit extra effort. Suppose you have already know what is SAP, what is the things we are going to do in SAP. So obviously it is the added point for you. So that's what. But whether you are from SAP background or non-SAP background, that doesn't matter, because I'm going to start everything from the beginning, from the scratch. Okay. Then what is SAP SD? Some people told I am working in sales and marketing, right? So those sales and marketing and this sales and marketing is completely different. Okay, here sales and distribution module completely different with respect to your current profile, whatever you are working. Okay, so here completely it is a software, it is a tool we have to deal actually. Okay, so in the software and tool, how you are doing currently and how you have to work in the future, that is the difference you have to feel in SAP SD consultant role. Consultant means you have to develop the software. You have to develop the S/4HANA system, and that system we are going to hand over to our clients, and the client end users, they have to use when your software is ready. So as a consultant, your role is very, very critical, and all the configurations, customizations, technicality, you have to be very, very strong. Okay. And in SAP SD, what exactly we are dealing with? Mostly we are dealing with all the sales, okay? Sales related activities, delivery, picking, packing, PGI, goods issue, invoice, billing, all those transactions you have to do in sales and distribution. So as SD consultant, you have to configure your system, okay? As from the SD point of view. Consultant, they have to configure the systems from material management point of view. Finance consultant, they have to configure the S/4HANA system from finance point of view. Okay, so SD point of view, whatever sales and distribution related activities are there, configurations, customizations, or enhancement, you have to maintain in your system, in S/4HANA system. Business process, I'll explain. So every implementation project, suppose you are going to work as a consultant in future, right? So first thing is we have to learn what is the enterprise structure or org structure of my client. Client means from on behalf of whom we are working, right? So we should know what is our client org structure or enterprise structure. So accordingly, we have to develop the system. Suppose you are using an iPhone, right? iPhone means what? You are end user. But who developed that iPhone? Like Apple engineers. So whenever Apple engineers they develop the system, that iPhone, right? That software. So how they are analyzing the things? They are analyzing in the end user point of view. What is the expectation from the end user point side? Accordingly, they have to develop that tool. Here also, in as a consultant, any consultant, SD or MM or EWM or finance or any technical consultant like ABA, BI, BW. So first thing is we have to cross-check with our client requirement. What is our client is requesting? Accordingly, we have to develop the system. So first thing is enterprise structure of my client. So inside the client enterprise structure, the first thing is like company. First org structure is client. Under client, we have a company code. Under company code, then the SD part, like sales organization, okay, distribution channel, division, sales area, sales office, sales group, like that. Okay, suppose some people they're acquainted with the enterprise structure, there is no problem. And whenever you people are not acquainted, then in the training time, I'll cover each and everything end to end. Okay. And mostly company and company code is related to financial org structure. In company and company code level, all the financial transactions we are dealing, like profit, loss, whatever financial transactions you are doing, right? So those things we have to maintain under company and company code level. So company and company code will be maintained by FICO consultant. Okay, but as SD consultant, your role will be starting from sales organization to the down one. Okay, so sales organization is the highest org structure in SAP SD, where we are dealing with all the sales related activities like delivery, picking, packing, PGI, all those things. So under sales organizations, we have distribution channel. Distribution channel means the way we are distributing or we are selling our product. Okay, and division is the group of products or the materials or the group of materials we are dealing with, and we are selling that product to our customers. So those are coming under divisions. Okay, and combinedly, like sales organization, distribution channel, and division, all three, we can call it as sales area. Okay, so sales area is not a physically available, it is a logical location in S/4HANA system, which is called as, means combinedly called as like sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Okay, so under sales area, we have a sales office. Sales office, what is the activity of sales office? We are selling, just we are selling. Then you have to tell, sir, what is the difference between sales organization and sales office? Both are same, but sales organization is having more power actually, because the highest org structure I told. So here you have to get more power, like related to your delivery, picking, packing, PGI, all those things. But sales office is just a overall, just an outside counter. We have to sell our product. That's it. And sales group, the person who is working inside the sales office, that person is called sales group. Okay. So like that, as a consultant, SD consultant, first you have to analyze what is your client enterprise structure. So on that basis, you have to develop your S/4HANA system. Next thing is business process. Most of the people, they already worked as a end user. They can easily understand this concept. So in SAP SD, we have a cycle called order to cash, right? O2C. Order to cash cycle. What is O2C? Suppose this customer, this person, right? He is inquiring a product, inquiry about a product, suppose a car or a bike. Okay, he wants to buy from my company. So you will inquire. Once the inquiry is coming to my company portal, so my end user or my customer care center, they will convert this inquiry to quotations. Quotations means we have to create a document where we have to put the customer, whatever customer is inquiring about the product, the price, delivery date, quantity, everything we have to maintain, and we have to send back to customer. If customer is agreeing on my quotation, price, product, everything, then we have to go further. If customer is not interested on my quotations, so obviously the sales related activities will stop there, because customer is not interested about my quotations. So inquiry and quotations, mostly these are called pre-selling documentations, pre-selling activities or pre-selling process in SAP SD. But once quotation is confirmed by the customer is agreeing, okay, what your quotation is very good, I am happy with your quotations, I want to buy your product actually. Then customer will send a purchase order to us. With reference to that purchase order, we are going to create a sales order. SO. Okay. So once sales order is created in our S/4HANA system, then we have to do delivery. Delivery, how it will happen? We have to go to the our storage locations or warehouse where my product is available. For this, for example, this bike, I have to go to my storage location or warehouse. I have to pick and pack. I have to pick the product, I have to pack the product, then we have to issue the product to customer's place. That is called goods issue. Once goods issue is done, then we have to post the invoice or billing. After that, you have to expect the payment from the customer. That is called billing. So this is called overall order to cash cycle. So this is standard cycle. Lot of variations, lot of changes are also there. It is not simple as it is what you are looking here. In real-time scenarios, lot of challenges are also there because every client, they are having different requirement. So as per the requirement, we have to develop our system. Okay, so this is a standard flow. If you understand this flow, then obviously you have to understand all the configurations, all the customizations in SAP SD. Okay, so after that, lot of data we are going to handle. A lot of people are also working in MDM side actually, master data team. So they can understand easily what is material master, what is customer master means business partner, and info record like material customer info record. So all this data I'm going to configure. Okay, these are all called baseline data. Okay, so based upon this data, we are going to do all the configurations, all the transactions in SAP SD. Okay, material master means material creation, how to create a material master in MM01. Customer master, I'm going to configure my ship to party, sold to party in BP transaction. Okay, and the info record, combination of material and customer will be called as info record. So these data are very, very critical for all our transactions in future. Like I'm creating a sales order, I'm creating a delivery, I'm going to billing. So if these materials are, this data will be critical actually. Without master data, I cannot do transaction data. And whatever configurations I'm doing, suppose I'm creating a sales organization, I'm creating a distribution channel, whatever configurations we are doing, those are called as configuration data. So master data, transaction data, and configuration data are part of SAP SD. So everything I'm going to cover in this training period actually. Okay. So three data mostly we have to handle: master data, master data, transaction data, and the configuration data. Parallelly, I told SD is a core module. SD is integrating with the finance. SD is integrating with the material management. SD is integrating with the plant production or plant maintenance, like that. So these cross-modeling concepts are very, very critical whenever you are going to attend the interview. Suppose you are going to skill of your career from whatever your current role to as a consultant role. So the cross-modeling concept is very, very critical. 100% sure you'll get a lot of questions from the cross-modeling. Okay, even real time also we are dealing with a lot of integration projects. So that time this cross modeling concepts are very, very important. So everything I'm going to cover so that easily you can handle the interview as well as your real time projects. Lot of special sales processes also there. It is going to cover interface. Interface means whenever my SAP S/4HANA system is integrating with other ERPs, other software or other tools. So that time interface will play a very important role. Okay, so interface means the data flow, how the data is flowing from my S/4HANA system to other system and other system to my system, inbound and outbound processes. So that will be handled by interface, mostly IDOC, EDI or API. Those are very important interfaces. So those also I'm going to cover in this training module. Lot of accounting entries, reports and tables and T codes. Any of these are all very basic things actually we have to cover. Parallelly, we have a special syllabus. So according to my syllabus, I have to cover each and everything as a SD consultant, whichever is required to complete your interview as well as to attend whatever your real-time scenarios you are going to work, right? So easily you can handle all the challenging situations in future. So, and the last in this slide, so I told each and every class we have a doubt clearances classes actually. If you have doubt, then you have to ask. Okay, if you're not preparing and whatever if you're not practicing, then it is up to you actually. Okay, so practicing is very, very important. Hard work is mandatory. Okay, I'm not telling whole day you have to practice. That is not required. Minimum 30 minutes to 1 hour, maximum 1 hour, minimum 30 minutes. If you provide per day, that is good. If per day also not possible, at least whenever you have weekends, Saturday, Sunday, or whenever you have week off, that time you can give more focus on this training actually, practice. Okay, parallel, I'm going to give you a lot of homework assignments that you need to complete. Mock test, mock interview is also there. Once you are completing the training, I can arrange these mock interviews. well-planned PPTs also you have to get. Each and every session there will be PPTs, soft copies. So that will enhance your skills, like conceptual skills and all. That is very important. And parallelly you get a server access, S/4HANA server access. So in that you have to do your all the configurations or all the customizations, whatever I'm doing in my class. Resume preparation, if you need any support to update your profile, even that also I can help you. And job references. We are getting a lot of references, mails and all. We can share with you. You can attend the interview as per your experience. And at the end, if your hard work is there, obviously you can select it and you can work as a consultant, SD consultant in future. Okay. So this is overall demonstration from my end. After that, if any further question, anyone having, you can ask me.
Enroll now and upgrade your career. Seats filling fast. Take action today and step into the world of SAP professionals. Learn from industry experts with real-time project experience. Get practical knowledge that companies are actively looking for. Boost your chances of landing high-paying SAP job roles. Limited seats available. Secure your spot before batches close. Join now and start building a successful future in SAP. Your SAP SD journey starts today. Don't wait to transform your career. Every successful SAP professional you see today once started from the same place, with curiosity, a goal, and the courage to take the first step. Learning SAP SD is not just about gaining technical knowledge, it is about building a strong future, opening doors to global opportunities, and creating a stable and rewarding career path. In today's competitive world, companies are constantly looking for skilled professionals who understand business processes, sales operations, and customer management systems. SAP SD plays a vital role in helping organizations manage their sales cycle efficiently, and that's why trained professionals are always in demand. By choosing to learn SAP SD, you are not just learning a course, you are investing in your long-term growth and career transformation. The journey may feel new at the beginning, but every small step you take will bring you closer to confidence and expertise. With the right guidance, practical learning, and consistent effort, you can build strong skills that make you stand out in the job market. Whether you are a fresher searching for your first opportunity, a working professional planning a career switch, or someone aiming for better growth, this is your chance to move forward. Don't let doubts or delays hold you back. The best time to start is now. The sooner you begin, the sooner you grow, learn, and move toward the career you have always wanted. Your future in SAP is full of possibilities, better roles, better salaries, and global exposure. Take that first step today. Believe in your potential, stay focused on your goals, and keep moving forward. Your SAP SD journey starts now, and it has the power to change your life. Every expert in SAP SD or any professional success story started as a beginner. They began with curiosity, determination, and the willingness to take the first step toward learning. The same opportunity is now in front of you. SAP SD is more than just a technical skill. It is a gateway to a global career in business technology and enterprise management. With businesses around the world relying on SAP solutions for efficient sales, distribution, and customer management, mastering SAP SD positions you for high-demand roles and competitive salaries. When you start your SAP SD journey, you are not only learning how to navigate the system but also gaining an understanding of core business processes. You'll learn how sales orders are processed, deliveries are managed, pricing and billing are handled, and how your actions directly impact an organization's efficiency and revenue. These skills are invaluable to employers, making you a candidate who brings both technical knowledge and practical business understanding. It's natural to feel hesitant when starting something new, especially a course as impactful as SAP SD. But remember, confidence comes with practice and guidance. With expert-led training, hands-on exercises, and real-time scenarios, you can quickly bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and real-world application. Each step you take strengthens your foundation, prepares you for interviews, and equips you to handle the challenges of a professional environment. Moreover, your SAP SD training can open doors across industries, from manufacturing and retail to logistics and IT services. Organizations worldwide depend on SAP SD to streamline their sales and distribution processes, which means your skills will be recognized globally. The demand for SAP SD professionals continues to grow, offering long-term career stability, growth opportunities, and the potential for international exposure. The key to success is starting today. Don't wait for the perfect time, it may never come. Taking action now allows you to gain knowledge, practice skills, and prepare for opportunities while others hesitate. Each lesson you complete, each scenario you practice, and each concept you master is a step toward your dream career. Your journey in SAP SD is more than learning software, it's about transforming your professional future. Believe in yourself, stay committed, and embrace the learning process. Your SAP SD career starts today, and with dedication, it has the power to completely change your life for the better.